5 important lessons I learned in my 40s. At sana natutunan ko na to noon pa. 1. Hindi mo kailangang patunayan ang sarili mo sa lahat. Hindi mo kailangan ng validation para maging enough. 2. Peace of mind is everything. Minsan, mas okay ng tahimik kesa laging tama. 3. Hindi lahat ng kasama mo ngayon, kasama mo habang buhay. And that's okay. People grow apart, and that's part of life. 4. Health is wealth. Literal. Hindi mo ma-enjoy ang tagumpay kung pagod ang katawan at isip mo. At 5. Happiness is simple. It's not in things. It's in moments. And in people who make you feel safe, seen, and loved. So kung nasa 20s or 30s ka pa lang, take it from someone who's been there. Grow, heal, and live with peace. Life is too short to live it the wrong way.